In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit in Vantage. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to your Vantage account over here, and then you want to go to Accounts. And first, to be able to deposit, you're going to have to open up a live account. So not a demo one, but a live one. So go over here, click on Open Account, and here you're going to basically first have to verify with your personal details, and then after that, you'll be able to open up a live trading account. Now, after you do that, you can go ahead and click on Deposit at the very top right. And here you're first gonna have to select an account in case you have multiple. So I don't have one right now, but for you, just select the one that you want to use. And here you wanna, of course, enter the amount you would like to deposit. So let's say 100. And then over here, you can see it says select a deposit rebate voucher. So you can do that as well in case you have one, which I currently do not. And after you've put all that in, click continue. And then the second step is to select a deposit method. So where you can basically select the most convenient payment method from the available options for your deposit. So just select one from the list that suits you best, put in your details, press continue and submit, and after that your deposit will be processed, as it says over here, within 24 hours once deposit success. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.